a little bird, and it goes out to a dear friend. There's a bird on my lawn that's no bigger than my thumb. He's quick and he's sleek, and there's only just the one. He sings bright in the morning, and he croons into the eve. His melody's perfect, without harmonies. And every day I watch him down by the street. He hops on his shadow to his own kind of beat. His wings don't seem to lift him off the grass. He's worried he's broken, and broken can't last. Is that why the other birds keep flying past? Beautiful bird, what you say is so absurd. You just might be unique, from your feathers to your beak. So sing your songs, don't change a thing. Yes, sing your songs. The right bird will come along. The rain loves him so much that it rains all the time. The sun feels the same, and how the showers they shine. The wind feels so lucky when pressed in his notes. It pulls at his heart like the sea pulls at boats. And the trees and the clouds join in their own tone, but the bird can't hear them. He says he's alone. Well, beautiful bird, what you say is so absurd. You just might be unique, from your feathers to your beak. So sing your songs, don't change a thing. Just sing your songs. The right bird will come along. But finally he went and tucked in his breast. He gave up his singing and put it to rest. He turned to the silence and thought it was best, caught in despair like fishermen's nets. And finally his swan song. Then a voice from the lawn over gave us both a surprise. Another bird asks why the music demise. She's been walking this way for so long a time. She thought she was broken because her wings couldn't fly. But his songs gave her hope as she couldn't move fast. Her journey was long, but she found him at last. She says, beautiful bird, I felt your every word. Guess we're not unique, from our feathers to our beaks. So let's sing our songs, don't change a thing. Let's sing our songs with someone else to sing along. Thank you folks so much.